Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how is that person rich? They're not even the smart. Maybe they didn't finish college, can't spell properly, and make basic mistakes you would never make. Yet somehow they are driving luxury cars, owning businesses, and living a life that seems out of reach for most. The truth is, intelligence alone doesn't make you rich. In fact, being too much smart can sometimes hold you back. Here's the uncomfortable reality. People who are dumber than you might be rich because they take action while you're still thinking. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They're not paralyzed by overthinking. Smart people often analyze every detail, wait for the right moment, and talk themselves out of opportunities. Meanwhile, someone else with less knowledge jumps in, makes mistakes, learns fast, and builds something real. Now, let's talk about confidence. Many rich people have something more valuable than intelligence: belief in themselves. They're not always right, they act like they are. That confidence attracts investors, customers, and opportunities. People follow people who believe in their own vision, even if that vision is not fully formed. The world rewards certainty more than accuracy. Another factor: risk tolerance. Some of the richest people you will meet took massive risks. They were not calculating every single variable. They were betting on themselves. Smart people often try to avoid failure at all costs. But those dumber people, they fail fast and they fail forward. Every failure teaches them something that gets them closer to winning. Then there's networking. Rich people understand one powerful truth: your net worth is often tied to your network. They build connections, ask for favors, create partnerships, and show up where deals happen. They're not sitting in the corner being quiet genius. They're in room with other decision makers, making moves even if they don't fully understand the detail. And let's be honest, some people were just born into it. They had family, money, connections, or an easier start. But here's the key: even people with advantages can lose everything if they don't play it right. So while luck plays a role, it's what you do with the opportunity that separates rich from broke. The biggest difference: execution. People who are less smart but rich often execute faster, fail more, and adjust quicker. They don't have to be perfect, they just have to be in motion. Smart people often want to be flawless, and that's what keeps them broke. So if you're smarter than someone but not as successful, stop thinking it's unfair. Learn from them. Don't let your intelligence become a trap. Use it to move faster, not slower. Confidence, action, resilience, and relationships often matter more than IQ points. The world doesn't reward the smartest, it rewards those who act on what they know. That's the truth nobody tells you. And maybe, just maybe, now that you know this, you can stop watching others win and start building your own version of rich.